Here's another photo of the Oculus menu button on the right side. Now, here's another thing. When you're doing the setup on the Oculus, you're going to need the controllers. You can't do it by fingers, by the finger method using the cursor. You can't do that. You have to use, I would suggest using just one, the right controller, and just do the setup with the right controller. You don't need the left controller. Once you have everything done, then you can go use your controller the last time, go to settings, and go to the hand cursor.